Yo, what's up, Fry Fam? Tired of takeout? Want to level up your kitchen game without turning your stovetop into a war zone? Then you're in the right place. We're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of air fryers. Yeah, I said it. We're ditching the grease and embracing that crispy, crunchy goodness, all while keeping things healthy-ish. Whether you're an air fryer newbie or you've already mastered the art of crispy fries, high five for that, by the way, this channel is your one-stop shop for all things air fryer. We're talking mouth-watering recipes, epic cooking hacks, and enough air-fried deliciousness to make your head spin. Get ready to transform your kitchen into an air frying haven, because we're about to unlock a whole new level of flavor. Let's get cooking! First up, the undisputed champion of game day snacks, air fryer chicken wings. We're talking crispy skin, juicy meat, and a fraction of the guilt compared to their deep-fried cousins. These wings are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a healthier option for your body. The air fryer works its magic by circulating super hot air around those wings, ensuring every inch gets that perfect crisp, creating a crispy golden brown crust while locking in all that juicy goodness. It's like having a mini convection oven right on your countertop. I like to use whole wings, separated into drumettes and flats, more surface area for maximum crispiness. This way, every bite is a perfect balance of crunchy exterior and tender interior. Pat them dry with a paper towel for ultimate crunch. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so make sure they're as dry as possible. Next, a simple but flavor-packed spice-rubbed garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. This combination gives the wings a robust flavor that complements their crispy texture. Feel free to get creative with your favorite spices. Maybe add a bit of cayenne for heat or some dried herbs for an aromatic twist. Toss those seasoned wings in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, and arrange them in a single layer in your preheated air fryer basket. The olive oil helps the spices adhere and adds a touch of richness. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes, flipping halfway through. This ensures even cooking and crispiness on all sides. They're done when the skin is golden brown and crispy and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to be sure. While those wings are cooking, whip up a quick dipping sauce. A good dip can elevate your wings to the next level. I'm feeling a classic blue cheese dressing today. Its tangy, creamy texture pairs perfectly with the spicy, crispy wings. Once the wings are out, toss them in your favorite sauce or keep it simple with a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Fresh herbs add a burst of color and a hint of freshness. And there you have it. Crispy, juicy, flavor-packed air fryer chicken wings that will have everyone begging for more. Perfect for any occasion. These wings are sure to be a hit. Alright, Fry Fam, let's talk about everyone's favorite side dish. French fries. Whether you're at a fancy restaurant or just enjoying a casual meal at home, French fries are always a hit. We're ditching the deep fryer for crispy golden brown perfection without the greasy guilt trip. Say goodbye to the extra calories and hello to a healthier yet equally delicious alternative. We're using real potatoes. No frozen stuff here. Fresh is always best when it comes to achieving that perfect texture and flavor. Russet potatoes are my go-to for their fluffy interior and crisp exterior. They really make a difference in the final product. Slice your potatoes about ½ inch thick. Consistency is key here to ensure even cooking. Soak them in cold water for 30 minutes to remove excess starch. This step is a game changer. It helps achieve that perfect crispiness. Pat them dry, toss in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite seasonings. Salt, pepper, maybe a touch of garlic powder. Feel free to get creative with your spices. Arrange the fries in a single layer in your preheated air fryer basket. This ensures they cook evenly and get that nice, crispy texture. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15-20 minutes, shaking the basket occasionally. This helps them cook evenly and get that perfect golden brown color. They're done when golden brown and crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. You'll know they're perfect when you can't resist sneaking a bite. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce, ketchup, mayo, ranch. You do you. The right dip can elevate your fry experience to a whole new level. Enjoy your perfectly crispy air fryer fries. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to the deep-fried version. Alright, Fry Fam, who's ready for dessert? Get ready to take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. We're about to blow your mind with air fryer chocolate chip cookies. These aren't just any cookies. They're a game changer. Yes, you heard that right. We're baking cookies in the air fryer. It's quicker, easier, and just as delicious as traditional baking. The air fryer creates the perfect environment for baking cookies. Crispy edges, gooey centers, and all that warm, chocolatey goodness. Imagine biting into that. We're sticking with a classic chocolate chip cookie recipe, but feel free to get creative with your mix-ins. Add nuts, dried fruit, or even candy pieces. Instead of scooping out individual cookies, we're making one giant cookie to fit perfectly in our air fryer basket. It's a fun twist that everyone will love. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper, press your chilled cookie dough evenly into the bottom, and air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10-12 minutes. The aroma will be irresistible. Once your giant cookie is out, let it cool slightly before cutting it into wedges. This will make it easier to handle and perfect for sharing. While it's cooling, whip up a simple glaze to drizzle over the top. A little powdered sugar and milk will do the trick. This adds an extra layer of sweetness. Serve warm with a cold glass of milk or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate dessert experience. Trust us, this will be a hit with everyone. And there you have it. 3 easy, delicious air fryer recipes that will make you an air fryer boss in no time. From crispy chicken wings to perfectly golden fries and even mind-blowing chocolate chip cookies, the possibilities are endless with this magical kitchen gadget. Remember, the key to mastering the air fryer is to experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to try new things. Get creative with your seasonings, experiment with different ingredients, and before you know it, you'll be whipping up air-fried masterpieces like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more air fryer magic. Peace out, Fry Fam!